Hey everyone, welcome back again. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to get a virtual card for totally free without having to pay any kind of card creation fee or monthly maintenance fee or any kind of fee at all. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. But before we do that, if this is your first time coming across my channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. Please help us reach there. And then also, if you watch the video from the very beginning, which you must do, to the very end, and then find it helpful, make sure to like the video and then write down your thoughts in the comment section if you face any kind of issues or have any kind of suggestions or anything to say. So now let's get started. So first, we are going to be utilizing this app over here called Bybit. Go ahead and then open that. You can find the app on the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, and then create an account with them or log in your account if you have one already. So on your account homepage, I want you to click on the more button over here and then scroll all the way down to where it says card, which is over here, and then click on it and then wait for it to load up the card page. Now on this page, I have a card, but because of this video I've terminated it, and I'm going to show you how to get a new one step by step. So now if you get on this page for the first time, you'll be asked to create a new card or apply for a new card, which is being shown over here. So I'm going to click on that, apply now, and then let's wait for the next page to load up. And then you can see over here I'm eligible for Visa Platinum card. So I'm going to go ahead and then click on the start button over here, and then it will take us to the next process or the next page to for us to be able to get the card. So you need to confirm or make sure that the email address that you are going to use is the same as the one that you used to create the account. If not, you have to change it to the one that is necessary. And once you are done with that, you accept the terms and conditions and click on submit, and then wait for it to load and then process up everything. And then it will show you this page that your application for Visa card is under review, and it usually takes only a few minutes. So within a few minutes from now, we are going to get our card created, and then we can start using it. So I'll be back in a minute or two to show you the result or the card that is created. So after some few minutes, our card have been successfully approved, and we can see over here card application succeeded. Enjoy your Bybit card. So let's go to the card dashboard and then view our card. So you can see over here that our card have been successfully created. You can see over here Visa Platinum business card, and then all the details are being shown right at the bottom over here. And then you can also order a physical card, but this one comes with a fee of a $5 fee. So that is pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please consider liking it and then subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching again. Bye.